One of the areas of interest of mine is aesthetic breast surgery. I really feel that at our center, we truly customize the shape of and the form of the breast to the individual and make sure that it is a natural and proportionate result with an individual's frame. Augmentation is not a one-dimensional procedure. It really has to take into account how the chest wall is shaped, how the abdomen is proportioned to the chest wall, the shoulders, and the overall frame with the hips. We look at all of that to make an initial assessment. The next thing we do is we do a comprehensive soft tissue analysis of the breast. We look at the quality of the breast tissue inside, we look at the skin quality, we look at the position of the nipple-areolar complex with respect to the rest of the mound, and also the width of the breastbone, because when a breastbone is awfully wide and the breasts are wide set, no result will look great unless you can alter the shape of the breast, and that is something an implant alone cannot do. One of the things that has been very exciting for us since the FDA has released the use of the form-stable, highly cohesive gel implants, otherwise known in a colloquial term of a gummy bear. This provides us the opportunity to choose a shape of the implant. The traditional smooth round implant that has been the mainstay in the United States can give a nice result provided that you have enough breast tissue and that you don't have too many variables that detract from the overall look, because it is round and it really only can affect the volume and not the shape. With these devices, you can have implants that are wider than they are tall for someone who's a little shorter and wider. If someone is quite tall and thin and we want to make the breast look like it starts higher up, we like having one of these taller shaped implants, because even though it is a more natural silhouette this direction, this stays up high and it allows the appearance that the breast is going to take off at a higher level, giving it, and it can change the way a breast looks. It doesn't just act like it's low down on the chest that some people have. So we like to be able to customize your result. We're not making everybody's breast look like a double D that you may see elsewhere. And in fact, there was a recent article that showed in California in particular that many women who initially had been choosing larger, rounder, fuller shaped breasts now want to have a more natural, proportionate look that is not over the top. We want to have people look better in their feeling of their breast and not just look like they've been enhanced. The other thing that has made breast surgery so much more rewarding is the use of simultaneous fat grafting. That is something that not everyone has started using, but the people who have used it, and I've been doing this for at least 7 years, and it has made worlds of difference in terms of the character of the skin and the shape. And particularly, as we had mentioned, someone has a very wide breastbone, has chest walls that are sloping rapidly off to the side. The breasts look like they're, in a pigeon chest configuration. That's a very hard thing to correct. But by adding fat, where we can blend and make it look like the breast starts closer in towards the sternum, you can create cleavage that is not there under normal circumstances. We can shape the breast. It's almost like photoshopping. And that's the most beautiful thing about it, is truly is sculpting the shape of the breast. That's something that just implant surgery alone cannot do. And that's something we do well here. We have a lot of experience, and our patients have been extremely happy. And the other advantage is, particularly if you have unwanted contour deformities such as excess lateral thighs, the flanks, the abdomen, we can take that tissue, make your shape more pleasing and appealing, at the same time providing a superior result for aesthetic breast surgery by using the fat in the right place. Please visit us online at thelucascenter.com or our phone number 865